Yep, that's what I was just going to say, David. Right here is a collection point, right? This is where we shed some. So if you guys look at this, so this is your 2-minute EWO. You started here. Okay, it came up right here. This is where we shed. So remember, 50, 20, 20, 10. So if you bought it down here and this is your first 50%, you are looking so nice. Think about this for a moment. It'd have to come all the way back here and lose 50% for you to break even, right? You already pocketed 50%, and this is where you bought it. You would have to sell it down here just to break even. Does that make sense?
100%, coach.
Yep, right there's 50% profit. So to lose that, you'd have to have a 50% loss just to break even. This is why I love taking 50% off the table, because even if you came back to where you started, you still made 50%. Make sense, everybody? Now here's what's nice, everybody. So you collected 50% here. So if you collected 50% here, now look at how slow the trade is moving. So now when it goes up and down, it doesn't scare you as much. Can everybody see it? Look at it.
Yes, sir.
It's way slower now on the P&L. See it? It slows it down, and now it's an easier trade. Now you already know I locked in my money. So now you're up here. You bought down here. This is where you're at. This is now your comfort zone. See it? So here's your 2-minute. So same drill. If this breaks through here, you will get a drop, but you want to see it pick up support, same spot at 192.25, but this is all just consolidation. So it's waiting right now to figure out, is it going to pop or drop? We're going to use the overall market. You don't get to do that as much with Apple, though. I'll be honest with you. You can yeah, I was going to say, you can see the whole market tanking and stuff, but this is why I loved Apple. It does its own thing, and when it gets in a groove, it doesn't matter what everything else is doing. This is why Apple is great.
And if you look at the volume candles, there's really nothing that's telling you to get out. I mean, it's all dominated by the bulls.
Yep. But this right here, this 192.25. So again, this is our 50%. This is the 50% collection area, right? If this breaks below this 192.24, I take more. This would be a 20, right?